Do satellites affect my property tax assessment? Imagine your property being watched from space, not by spies, but by technology that helps determine its value. You might wonder if satellites are changing how your property is assessed. Well, let's explore how this high-tech eye in the sky influences your property taxes. Satellites today can take images with incredible detail, down to 30 to 50 centimeters per pixel. That means they can clearly see individual buildings, additions, and even outbuildings from space. This detail helps tax assessors see what exists on your property without needing to visit in person. They use artificial intelligence and deep learning algorithms to analyze these images. These systems look at roof shapes, shadows, and reflectance patterns to outline buildings accurately. So, if you built a new garage or added a deck, satellites can help detect those changes. This technology impacts your assessment in several ways. First, it helps find properties that might be missing from the tax records because old maps or records are outdated or incomplete. Many areas have less than half of their properties properly documented. Satellites fill in these gaps with current images, giving a clearer picture of what's really there. Second, they help create more precise property valuations. By combining satellite images with geographic information systems, assessors can develop detailed property maps. These maps reflected the current size, shape, and features of your property, leading to fairer valuations. Third, satellites promote fairness in property taxes. When assessments relying on outdated or incomplete data, some properties may be overvalued or undervalued. Satellite imagery offers a consistent, objective source of information, reducing bias and making the process more equitable. During reassessment periods, satellite images are especially useful. They allow assessors to verify property details across entire neighborhoods quickly. This is helpful in fast-growing areas where new construction happens often. If you've made improvements or added structures since the last assessment, satellites might reveal these changes. That could lead to an increase in your property's assessed value. Conversely, if your property was previously overvalued due to incomplete data, satellite images might help lower your assessment. The impact depends on how your local tax authority uses this technology and the quality of the images. Some places are more advanced in using satellite data than others. In some cities and countries, this technology is already part of the assessment process. As costs decrease and technology improves, more jurisdictions will likely adopt satellite imagery. The key is that satellite-based assessments are combined with ground checks and other valuation methods to keep everything accurate and fair. So, to answer your question directly, yes, satellites do affect your property tax assessment. They help identify properties, verify details, and support fair valuations. Whether your assessment goes up or down depends on what the satellite images reveal about your property and how your local authorities use this technology.